Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever stared at a massive spreadsheet full of data and thought, where do I even begin? Then today's video is made for you. We're diving into one of the most powerful features in Microsoft Excel, pivot tables. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be building your own from scratch, even if you've never touched one before. So let's get right into it. Make sure you stick around to the end, because I'll show you a cool trick that'll save you hours of manual work. So, first, what exactly is a pivot table? Think of it like this. Imagine you have thousands of rows of sales data. Dates, regions, products, amounts. Normally, making sense of all that would take ages. A pivot table lets you instantly summarize, group, and analyze that data with just a few clicks. No formulas needed. The name pivot comes from the idea that you can rotate or pivot the way your data is arranged to look at it from different angles. Here's what makes it so powerful. You can answer questions like, which region had the most sales last quarter? Which product is performing the worst? In literally seconds. Before we create a pivot table, our data needs to be set up correctly. Let me show you the 3 golden rules. Rule 1. Your first row must be column headers. Things like date, sales rep, region, product, amount. Each column needs a name. Rule 2. No blank rows or blank columns inside your data. Blanks confuse Excel about where your dataset ends. Rule 3. Each column should have consistent data. Dates in the date column, numbers in the number column. No mixing text and numbers. In our example today, I have a simple sales dataset: order date, sales rep, region, product, and revenue. Nice and clean. All right, let's build our first pivot table. I'm going to click anywhere inside my data, just one click inside the range. Now I go up to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top and click Pivot Table. A dialog box pops up. Excel is smart enough to detect your full data range automatically. You can see it's already selected. I'll choose to place the pivot table on a new worksheet and hit OK. And just like that, a new sheet opens with our pivot table builder on the right side. This panel is called the Pivot Table Field List, and it's your control center. You'll see 4 areas at the bottom: filters, columns, rows, and values. Think of these as buckets. You drag your fields into these buckets to build your table. Let's answer a simple question. How much revenue did each region generate? I'll drag region into the rows area and drag revenue into the values area. Done. Just like that, Excel has summed up all revenue by region. That would have taken me a long time to do manually. Now, let's make things more interesting. What if I want to see the breakdown by both region and product? I'll just drag product into the columns area, and now we have a 2-dimensional breakdown. Regions on the rows, products across the columns. Beautiful. Let me show you how to change the calculation. By default, Excel uses sum, but maybe I want to count the number of orders instead. I'll click on the little arrow next to sum of revenue in the values area. Choose value field settings and change it to count. Now I can see how many orders each region placed. You can also sort your results. Right-click on any value, hover over Sort, and choose to sort largest to smallest. Instantly, your best performing region jumps to the top. And one more thing, formatting. Right now the numbers look plain. I'll right-click on the revenue values, click Number Format, choose Currency, and now it looks much more professional. Here's where it gets really fun. What if I only want to see data for one specific sales rep or just Q1 results? That's where filters and slicers come in. The simple way is to drag a field, like sales rep, into the filters area at the top of the field list. A drop-down filter appears above your table. Click it, pick a sales rep, and your entire pivot table instantly updates to show only their data. But here's the cool, more visual way to do it. Slicers. Click anywhere in your pivot table, go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab in the ribbon, and click Insert Slicer. Check the fields you want to filter by. Let's pick region and product. Click OK. Now you have these beautiful clickable buttons on your screen. Click North, the table updates. Click Laptop, filtered again. You can even hold Control and click multiple options. This is perfect if you're building a dashboard for someone else to use. Before I let you go, here are 3 quick tips that'll make your pivot table life much easier. Tip 1. If your source data changes or you add new rows, your pivot table won't update automatically. You need to right-click inside it and hit refresh, or press Alt plus F5. Get into that habit. Tip 2. You can create a pivot chart directly from your pivot table. Just click inside the table, go to Pivot Table Analyze, and click Pivot Chart. Instant visual, great for presentations. Tip 3. You can have multiple pivot tables from the same dataset on different sheets, each answering a different question. One for revenue by region, one for sales by rep, one for monthly trends. Super flexible. And there you have it, pivot tables from zero to hero in under 10 minutes. If this video helped you, drop a like, it really helps the channel. And subscribe if you want more Excel tutorials like this one. I post every week. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below, and I'll answer every single one.